All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol MYDX right now. What a beautiful, beautiful day we're seeing here. 0040, the last time that we took a look at the stock was going to bring us back to right here. So let's take a look right there. I said watch for a gap to fill at 017. Let me see, where's that at right here. All right, so watch for the gap at 001716. And then boom, you guys came down. And simple day moving average, 20-day simple moving average, pounded right out of the gate, no gaps. Beautiful setup down here. And then right here, you guys have a little bit of a gap between the 2.9 and 3.0. That momentum's here, guys. I don't foresee it as slowing down right now. My personal opinion, there is a gap, but once they start running like this, inside of a mid-run like that, those gaps are going to get harder and harder to fill. It's just when you're sideways trading, I really pay attention closely to those gaps, and I went all over all that inside the video. But you still got to trade like that. You'd be very, very smart. Granted, yeah, you might not win as many, but I can guarantee you one thing: you're not going to lose that many. That is sure with that, with playing the gaps and watching those gaps. I think that we're going to be able to run up on that 6. Right now at 0042. Now volume high at day at 0040. Getting over here on MYDX right now in the live chat from Jobham. Thank you very much for filling us in on that 0044. Thank you. So right now, like I said, 0042. I think that you guys are gonna have room to run. I mean, as long as this continues going up, you guys could probably pull all the way up to the 0060 area. It's gonna really come down to the volume on this one. But just keep an eye on the gap. Remember the gap's there. I really don't think it's going to be an issue if you're playing on the run.
All right, so there was an 8K with this on Friday, and it was a few different things on it. Unregistered sales of equity securities. So since November 22nd, 2016, MyDx Incorporated has issued, in reliance upon Section 4 of the Securities Act of 1933, as amended, 1,051,998,015 shares of common stock pursuant to conversion notices of all convertible redeemable notes outstanding, with the remaining principal balance equal to $46,403.21 as of March 10th, 2017. So then there's that was the item 302. Item 701, it's Regulation FD disclosure. It's effective March 8th, 2017. Senior management of the company have begun using the materials included in Exhibit 99.1 to this report, the investor presentation, in connection with presentations to existing shareholders and potential investors of the company. The investor presentation is incorporated into the item 701 by reference and will be available on the company's website, and that is www.magnegas or Magnegas. It's MAGNEGAS.com. Without limiting the generality of the foregoing, the forward-looking statement disclosure. That's all yada yada. All right, so other events right here. This is probably what's more important for people. On March 9th, 2017, Judge Thomas Rebel of the 11th Judicial Circuit of Florida issued 2 orders in favor of the company. First, an order to have a hearing on March 13th, 2017, which is today, to enable the court to adjudicate whether to grant the company's emergency motion to prevent Phoenix Fund Management, LLC, from submitting any further issuance notice pursuant to the June 2016 $250,000 Section 3 A10 settlement. The company believes Phoenix has received all shares to which it is entitled pursuant to the Section 3 settlement. Until the hearing, Phoenix is enjoined from submitting any further issuance notices pursuant to section of the settlement. Second, a temporary restraining order against Phoenix to prevent Phoenix from submitting any further conversion notices pursuant to a $1 million convertible note it holds. The company believes Phoenix has fully exercised this convertible note. The hearing on March 13th will include further argument and further adjudication of this issue. The company cannot predict the ultimate outcome of these 2 litigations. So that is happening as we speak. So obviously, there's that presentation within this 8K too. So if you guys are interested in learning more about MyDx, you go right over to that MYDX board on Investors Hangout. You click on the filings, and you go right there to That 8K right there from the 10th, and you'll see it all right in there. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using Investors Hangout daily by posting over there on that message board.
All right, MYDX 0042. Watch for that volume to continue. Right there, let me go ahead and fix that now that it's dropped down a little bit here. Just so you understand this when I read it out to you. So 0040, watch for the volume to continue. Resistance at 0042 and 006. Support at 0029. 29 and 30 is going to be that gap. All right, so that is what you guys are going to be paying attention to with MYDX. Right now, you guys could go either way, honestly. I mean, remember that. You guys can go either way right here. There is a gap down here, but it is set up really nicely right now. MYDX, if you follow the stock, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it very much. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.